Hey, it's Clay at ClayTrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about a minute. So I will pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. All right, I'm going to go for a put here at 150. Nope, not filling me. That line right there I'm more interested in. I am looking to do options. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide, and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through terminologies, how they work, and give you a good firm foundation to which you can build from. So again, comment below option guide, and I will link that to you. All right, the price is now fallen a little bit, so I will pause and let's see what I can find. I'm looking to buy at 150, so I'm watching that number over there, and I want to see that drop down to the 150 range, and then for this line here to turn green. So white means I'm trying to buy, green means I have been able to buy. So that is how my screen is. Well, and now as the price comes down, you can see that number is getting further and further away from 150, so looking like a never mind. But nonetheless, that is how my screen's operating moving forward. You can see what price I'm trying to buy, and then these are the numbers that I am watching. All right, I will pause. Okay, I have an order at 165, in at 165 for a put, and out for 350 on that one. Very good start. I will pause, and again, just to reiterate, that was white, it turned green, and then a second white line showed up. That second white line meant I was trying to sell. And then when that white line turned green, that means I was able to sell, and that is when you would have noticed the 350 showing up right there, which is what I made on the trade. Let's go to 150 now. We go 150. We'll see if it wants to come up a bit more. I don't know, do I try 165 again? Seems like a plausible. Oh, let's go to 145 here. Here we go, 145. Let's see if we can come up a bit more here. All right, I will pause and I'll keep a close eye on it. All right, gonna try for a put here, potentially at 175. I'm throw an order out there. Nope, not filled. I wanted to be filled relatively quickly on that one, and I wasn't, and I'm glad I canceled that out because up it goes some more. All right, I'll keep an eye on it. I'll pause. All right, gonna try for a put here at 158. Not filling me. So let's go to 150 instead. All right, I'll pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. All right, gonna try it. Well, I was gonna try 150, but that fast the bid jumped up. So I'll see how this candle closes here. 2 seconds. There we go. Okay, yep. Let's go 150. So I'm at 150 here for a put. Let's see if the price wants to go back up there. I will pause. All right, I'm on best bid. I'm at 150. And will not fill me. Holy smokes. I'm going to change strike prices on this one now. Try 147. $158. Is this the rejection point? Nope. Try 155. Nope. Very tough fill all of a sudden. Well, not all of a sudden. It's kind of been a tough fill, but. All right, I'll pause. All right, going to try for a call here at 165. Wow. No fill. Go to 160 instead. All right, I'll pause. All right, have an order at 150, in at 150 for a call. In at 150 and out there for $350 on that move. Got pretty spicy. Got filled and out in, what was that? 12 seconds. So, yeah. Not one of those if you blinked you missed it, but it did happen pretty fast. And patience was required on the day. As you can see, this first trade was back at 940, and this next one was right here on 11. So I mean, a long time. And in so many situations, I'm away from my computer. I do work from home. We homeschool. I have 6 kids, so there's my way of saying there's a lot of stuff going on. So it's not like I sit at my computer straight for that entire time. I'm, like I said, up and around. But in this situation, I was maybe gone a couple minutes and that's it. So I've been sitting here watching and waiting and finally got it. It's 11:15 right now. I've been here way longer than what I like to be. Ideally, I'm done in 30 minutes, but still, if I'm done in an hour, fantastic. But today, I mean, we're pushing almost 2 hours. And don't get me wrong, I'm grateful even if I just say 2 hours. Not many places in the world where you can make $700 in 2 hours. But if you've watched any of my past videos, you've seen me make $700 or more in way less time than 2 hours. So I don't mean to come across as greedy because I'm very grateful for it. Don't get me wrong. But yeah, patience was certainly required today. Maybe that's what I'll title today's video. Patience was required because I had to wait for the right setup and I got the right setup. And when you get those setups that fit your criteria, then things can go very well. And just again, illustrate that first trade was 8 seconds for 350. That one was 12 seconds for 350, which sounds like a scam when you say it out loud. But yeah, it's possible. You saw it right here. But yeah, patience is required because you got to get those right setups. So I'm going to go ahead and definitely move on with my day. So almost 2 hours. Basically an hour and 45. I'm just going to call it 2 hours for the sake of argument. So 2 hours, $700. I will take it. I am grateful for it. And again, got to be patient within your strategy. Well, first off, you have to have a strategy. And then once you have a strategy, you got to be patient towards it and don't start bending rules for it. And when you are patient, hopefully this can offer you up some motivation that good things can happen within your strategy too, assuming again, it's a valid strategy. So thanks for watching. Again, if you want to learn more about options, just comment below option guide and I will link that free class to you. So take care, have a good one. And as always, if you enjoy these live videos, hit that like button. And if you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button, a totally free way to really help out the channel. So just hit that subscribe button. It really helps out. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.